In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Netlify. This is a quick and practical way to get a form live online without setting up a complicated backend. Netlify can detect your form from a simple HTML file, publish your site, and then collect submissions directly from your dashboard. So if you want a fast setup, this is a great option. To begin, create a file on your computer named index.html. This will be the main file for your site, and it's the file Netlify looks for when publishing a basic static website. Make sure the contact form is included inside that file and that everything is saved properly before moving on. Keeping the form inside index.html makes the process simple and helps Netlify recognize it when the site goes live. Once your file is ready, log into your Netlify dashboard. If you already have an account, just sign in and head to the main area where your projects and sites are managed. This dashboard is where you'll upload your site and later review any form submissions that come through. After that, go to the Sites tab. This is the section where Netlify shows your existing websites and where you can add a new one. If you're new to the platform, this is also where the drag and drop deployment option appears, which is one of the easiest ways to publish a simple site. Next, take the folder that contains your index.html file and drag it into the box labeled drag and drop your site folder here. Be sure you're dragging the folder itself, not just the single file, especially if your page includes other assets like style sheets, images, or scripts. Once you drop it in, Netlify will automatically upload the contents, process the site, and publish it for you. In most cases, this only takes a few moments. When the deployment finishes, your site is live. At this point, open your new website and fill out the contact form once yourself. This test submission is important because it helps Netlify register the form and start tracking entries. After submitting the form, go back to your Netlify dashboard and click Forms. You should instantly see your submission there. That's all it takes to create a contact form in Netlify. With just an index.html file, a quick drag and drop deployment, and one test submission, you can have a working form connected to your live site in just a few minutes.